to show you how you can share a practice set with another teacher. So you're going to either go to practice sets here or go to the top where the main menu is, click on that and go to practice sets. Once you have your practice sets open, all you need to do is select the practice set you wish to share, go to the three dots and click on Share Link. And if link sharing isn't turned on, you might have to turn that on. But I'm going to copy the link. And now all I need to do is send that link to a teacher. So I'm going to paste the link here so you can see what it looks like when they click on it. When they get the link, it's going to prompt them to make a copy. So now they would make a copy of this for themselves, and then it would add into their practice sets. Once it adds into their practice sets, they are able to make any changes that they want to it, and it changes only their copy, not yours. When they're done, they'll click Done Editing, and now this becomes their practice set.